Before you spend money on flowers you'll have to replace next year, watch this. These 7 beautiful container plants come back year after year, need very little care, and make your patio look amazing. Let's count them down. Herb 1. Lavender. If you love fragrance, lavender is a must-have. Thrives in sunny pots, attracts pollinators, and practically takes care of itself. 2. Hosta. Got a shady porch or balcony? Hostas deliver lush, tropical-looking foliage with almost no effort. 3. Coral bells. Want color all season long? Coral bells offer stunning foliage in shades of purple, lime, and bronze. 4. Salvia. Looking for non-stop blooms? Salvia attracts butterflies and adds vibrant color from spring through fall. 5. Sedum. This tough succulent loves sunny containers and survives when other plants struggle. 6. Black-eyed Susan. Bright yellow flowers, months of blooms, and beginner-friendly care make this perennial a container garden favorite.